Praise the Lord. Good morning, you guys. Hi, as you know, this is Dr. D, Executive Manager of Urban Management Group, where I'm here to serve you guys, the sole proprietors, the faith-based 501c organization that's just starting up in Black women in business over 50. And I am compassionate about making sure that you stay in compliance within your industry by way of tax preparation, bookkeeping, accounting, and tax planning. All right. So what's happening now, and the reason why this is a urgent shouting from the mountaintop, because we will never see this uh, type of resource that's available to small businesses. So prior to independent contractors, independent artists, ministers, nonprofits. You know what I'm saying? We're not going to see this here, and it is a fight. And whenever God has a blessing for His children, we got to fight for it. We have small. I'm part of a small business association in our area, and we come together weekly just to see the updates and what have our clients been challenged with to even get their funds released through the EIDL loan. We still have individuals. You could request a reevaluation, okay, of the targeted advance loan, because a majority of individuals did not even receive the $10,000 grant or the additional $9,000 grant, and they also gave that supplement of $5,000. So you either missed out on $14,000 or $15,000 besides the EIDL loan that's going to be spread out in 30 years at a 3.75% that you won't even have to start paying on it until 24 months of the day that you was granted that loan. This is phenomenal, you guys. So I'm pleading with y'all. It's no sense to be upset and mad and angry and you're calling SBA and you're fussing with them, because I know I've done. But you will come across an agent, or I'm going to say a representative for the SBA, that when you call that 1833 number, okay, they will literally look in your records and tell you why you was declined, why you was denied. Whatever they tell you, you have the right to resubmit and rebuttal against that decision. Why? They have a backlog. Another thing, IRS have a major backlog, and they're striving to even put in the 2019 tax returns, and that's why a lot of these 4506Ts are causing havoc with small businesses. This will be saving our businesses, but they have a lot of small business going out of business. Now, I know most of them, such as Urban Management Group, we have transitioned virtually, but we still need that operating cash to sustain our business. If we don't have that influx of cash keep coming in, how are you going to pay for your expenses? Okay? And so I'm pleading with you all. I sent out an email. You can never say that Dr. D didn't try to help you. Okay? I don't care how mad you get with me, how, because I don't have control of the SBA and their funding. But what I could do, I can share with you from my experience the steps that you have to take so you can go to the next level. And the main thing that I'm striving to employ to individuals, as long as you have that confirmation number by December 15th, you're going to be in the queue. We're going to go into 2020 still waiting for our funding. But behold, you will get it. Remember last year, I sounded the alarm. March 2022, April 2020, May 2020. A lot of us got denied for that target advance, and it just gave us $1,000. Some of us didn't even get $1,000. What I said, don't worry about it. They're gonna come up and see their error, and they're gonna submit something, and you'll be able to get the rest of your money. Well, lo and behold, what happened? This year, you guys got that email, and some of you probably still have that email sitting in your spam to type in targeted EIDL advance in your email search, and I guarantee you that SBA email gonna come up. Y'all, go and click that green link activate your account so you can get your money. Now, once you do that, they may even send you back a reply and say denied. No, you print out that copy, find out why they say denied, and resubmit a rebuttal. All right, now you still got to play your part. When they did mines, they say my credit history, which they wasn't supposed to go against the credit history. Then they call themselves our old child support. Well, I've been a single mother taking care of my own children. What are you talking about? Then they say it was unviable. I sent them my driver's license and they had to do the ID thing. The SBA representative literally called me. Then they say the address wasn't right. Then they say the file. Man, I got a stack of papers right here. But guess what? I'm not giving up because I know that's my money. You can't give up. All right. So I want you all, I'm not going to stay on here too long, but I just want to encourage you all, do not lose hope. We are not the only ones that are enduring this. And y'all newcomers that are applying, don't get upset if you got that denial letter, because you have people that's been in the queue since last year. All right. So you got to put all that in perspective. But you know what the most powerful thing is? Oh, I'm so excited for you. You got that application number, and as long as you have that number, now it's a group of us business owners. You know, SBA have a Supreme Court. So what we have done, we have taken all our information that we have sent to them. We followed every instruction that them emails told you to do, and you still was denied. They have a group of us, okay, that have petitioned the SBA Supreme Court on why in the world y'all keep denying our business, even though you got $4.1 billion fraudsters that y'all done released money already to, and you're trying to get it back. All right. Now they say they're trying to retrieve some other money back. We don't have nothing to do with that. That was y'all fault. We are legitimate businesses. If your business was on that 2019 tax return, you have been automatically qualified to even register for these funds. And if you had a business and you did not put it on your 2019, you have up to 3 years for IRS to amend your tax return and make the adjustments that are needed so it can be recorded. All right. So even with that, you can still, but you have to do all of that before the end of this year, because next year, 2019, gonna be out. I mean, for the EIDL alone. All right. So let me go. I just want to personally encourage you all. All right. Check the emails. I have 3 different categories for you to click those links. It's going to give you the example how to go and resubmit your rebuttal of the decision. If you never filled out the form, you go and click that one and go ahead and do it. Now, let me tell you, if you need Dr. D to help submit all of this to you, you will have a administration service fee. It has to be submitted before I conduct any of these services. I've been providing over 1,000 small companies with services like this here by faith, believe in God that we're going to do right by each other, and it did not come to pass, and it's just not going to happen. All right. You people, I have testimonies where I took my time, they paid their fee, and guess what? Not only did they get their money, they are getting their forgiveness from the PPP way from the beginning of the year. Y'all did not listen to me. Those that went through Urban Management Group, you received your tax return correctly. You got that stuff cleaned up. You received your PPP. Then when you got your PPP, I gave y'all the instructions. I gave my clients the instructions. They followed those instructions. They paid their accounting fee, and they're literally now receiving a forgiveness email, totally forgiven. All the money that they received, they don't have to pay it back. Why? Because they came to Urban Management Group. I'm not going to steer you guys wrong, y'all. This is my legacy. This is my heartbeat. This is my passion. This is my work. This is what I do. And I just don't do taxes just to be doing taxes. I'm about legacy. I want you to build your business so you can leave it to your children's children. And I want you to receive the resources that are needed so you can continue on building your business. All right? So let's get ready. We going forward into 22, and I had my son laughing yesterday. I said, yeah, it's going to cost you in 2022, but still. And he was like, "Oh, you got your whole thing." I said, "Yeah, but I need you to do me a jingle." So God bless you. Share this video with somebody. I'm gonna put it up on YouTube. But y'all personally, y'all getting this first. All my clients, and let's get it done. Okay? God bless you.